Hello and welcome to day 26 out of my 31 days of Halloween. So like I do with most of my looks, I start off by sketching it out with a white eyeliner pencil, and that is exactly what I'm doing right here. This look is inspired by Ursula, my favourite villain, but I wanted to make her a little bit more creepy. So I've primed my lid with the Pinot base in the shade 0, and then I go into the Colourpop Bye Bye Birdie palette, which is absolutely gorgeous, and I use the shade called Boo Bird, and I blend this into the crease and out into a big wing. I'm only doing this on one eye because, as you already know, on the other eye is going to be a tentacle, so we're going to leave that eye for now. I then go over the eyeshadow that we've put down with the shade On a Wing. I start off by concentrating it in the inner corner, and then I slowly blend it out throughout the whole wing. Going into the shade Finch, I start to contour my eye, so I place this into the crease and blend it out into the wing as well. Now, to completely transform this purple smoky eye into a magical dream, I then go into the shade Amuse Me and Ruffled. So I start off with Amuse Me. I use my finger to apply these, and these are glitters. They are so beautiful. I put Amuse Me on the inner half of the eye, and then on the outer half I use the glitter called Ruffled. I then use the Colourpop brow colour in the shade Charmer as an eyeliner. This is such a beautiful colour, I just had to use it. So for my eyeliner, I made it really big and dramatic and spiky, as you can see. I also leave the centre of my bottom lash line open, so later on I can make my eye look a lot bigger. After I've done that, I apply my base, and then I go into the Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in the shade Exit, and I apply this in the area on my bottom lash line that I haven't filled in with liner. I also apply this in my waterline as well, just to make the whole eye look a lot bigger and more animated. For my eyebrows, I use the Ofra Fix Line Eyeliner Gel in the shade White Rabbit. Off camera, I glue stick down my other brow, and then I covered it with the Colourpop concealer because I'm now painting the tentacles. So the first face paint I go into is by Snazzaroo, and it's called Electric Purple. It has this really gorgeous sheen to it, which I think makes the whole slippery tentacle look a little bit more realistic. So I paint this as the outer half of the tentacles, and then I use the Snazzaroo face paint in the shade Lilac to do the inner half of the tentacles. Now, to create the things that are on the tentacles, I have no idea what they're called. The sucky things? The suckers? I don't know. I'm just going to move on quickly from that. But I use the Snazzaroo face paint in light grey, and I place them first, and then I go back in with the Electric Purple eyeshadow that we had earlier, and I get the tiniest bit and dab it in the centre so it looks like the middle bit is hollow. To create some shading and shadowing around the tentacle, I go into the Lunatic Cosmetic Labs Contour Palette in Volume 2, and I use the Ready really warm tones in that palette, and I create the shading around the tentacle. I then use it to actually contour my face, as you can see the palette right here. I just dip and dab into the brown and the reddy tones in that palette. For my highlight, I use the Colourpop Flying High Light Sticks, and this is amazing. In all the photos in the video, you can just see how incredible this highlight is. I'm really impressed. So I put that on my cheekbones, my nose, and a bit above my forehead as well. And then I do exactly the same as what I did with the tentacle on my face, but I just do them on my neck and my body. The eyelashes I used in this look are by Eldora False Eyelashes, and they're in the style B801. Don't forget, I do have a discount code for them as well as Colourpop. Just check out my description, and I have all my coupon codes in there. For my lips, I use the Vamped Up Lip Paint by Maybelline. I decided I wanted to have some bottom eyelashes in white, but I actually painted them on this time with a white Snazzaroo face paint. I then put on a white wig, and I also had these little tentacles that I got off of Amazon, and I painted them the same colour as my face and my body, and I stuck them in my hair. So this is the final look. Let me know if you liked it by pressing the like button down below. Also, hit that subscribe button if you are looking for some more Halloween content, because I still have some left, and also I have a lot in store for November and December. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to. Also follow me over on Instagram. My name is @Brooke.Ellis_. It is linked in the description down below. I have over 50,000 of you over there. I honestly can't believe it. By the time I'm recording this voiceover, I hit it late last night. night and I just couldn't sleep. I was just so excited. So thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, I will see you in the next video, hopefully. Bye.
Cover the map and still ain't know where you can find me at. Journey